Hey man, you look confused. Is there anything I can help?
Oh yeah, sorry, I was checking out the condos. I just moved here recently. I was thinking about owning one of these bad boys. You know, some countries are really easy to get the ownership rights, some are really difficult. What's it like in this country?
Well, sure, I can tell you about that.
After gaining independence in 1945, Indonesia established land laws that prioritize local ownership. The Basic Agrarian Law of 1960 became the cornerstone of land regulation in Indonesia, reinforcing the idea that land should primarily benefit the Indonesian people. Some of the regulations that underlie this include Law Number 6 of 2023, Law Number 20 of 2011, Government Regulation Number 18 of 2021, Regulation of the Minister of Agrarian Affairs and Spatial Planning, Head of the National Land Agency of the Republic Indonesia Number 18 of 2021, Decree of the Minister of Agrarian Affairs and Spatial Planning, Head of the National Land Agency Number 1241. In Indonesia, foreign citizens are allowed to own property under specific conditions, including providing benefits to the economy, doing businesses, working or investing in Indonesia. They can hold the right to use, but not the right to own the land. And also, they should have immigration documents issued by the authorized agency in accordance with the statutory regulation. About the objects and status of the rights owned, including And you need to know that tenement units on land with right of use or right to build are those that are built in the Special Economic Zone, Free Trade Area, and Free Harbor Areas, Industrial Zone, and other economic areas. Apartment units by foreigners built on right of use or right of building is given ownership rights to the apartment unit.
I've also heard there's some unique limitations for foreigners regarding residential ownership. Can you tell me more about that?
Of course, there is a few limitation for foreigner or residential ownership. First,
according to the Decree of Minister of Agrarian Affairs and Spatial Planning, Head of the National Land Agency Number 1241, there are minimum price limits for landed house, minimum price limits for tenement units,
second,
area, number of land parcels or units. 1. Ownership of residential house for foreigner is given with limitation. Second, in terms of providing a positive impact on the economy and social, landed houses can be provided with more than one plot of land or an area of more than 2,000 square meters with the permission of the minister. Third, restrictions are excluded for residential ownership of representatives of foreign countries or representatives of international institutions.
third, and also last,
dwelling for residential house. Conveyance and charge of right.
Hey, thanks for the insight. I think I've gotten a better idea of all the nuances behind all this.
no worries. I'm glad we could discuss about it. If you ever have any questions, just feel free to reach out.